everyone, welcome to the NSC Tech Solutions another video. This video will be all about the heat map generation. What is heat map? Heat map is a wireless design layout requires to deploy the access points. So before proceeding, we will talk about the requirements. Requirements of a heat map would be the floor map and the part code of the access point with which you are deploying the network. So let's take a look on the floor map. So this is how a standard floor map looks like. It's a architectural layout, floor layout, and this file would be consisting all the notations such as the seating arrangements and the partition type and proper measurement dimensions of an area. So what you need to locate in the floor map is the area which you need to include in the wireless network, and there would be additional areas such as lift ducts and outside balconies which we don't usually include in our heat map. So let's get started with the Ekahau tool, which will help us to generate the heat maps. This is how it looks like. Let's start bounding the area which will have the access points within. We start from the one corner and goes till it comes back to the same point. It's just we need to make sure that all the boundaries covered properly with point-to-point connections. So additional information for this tool is that you not only can import the PDF file, it can also import all the tools such as AutoCAD files, any file which are having proper dimensions and might be used by civil engineers or architects. So if you look closely, you can just zoom in and check if the boundary is covered. So start with one corner and try to cover all the partitions. Look around at the floor map and consider which area is the most critical to be able to provide the access point deployment. So if you look closely, we find some meeting rooms are here, some open spaces are here, some small interaction rooms are here. So we will start with the partitioning now. So select the straight call. Now select the type of the partition you are looking for. We usually have glass partition and drywall partition in the corporate offices. However, if you have concrete partition, you can select that as well. So here we are having wall bricks and lots of options are available in the Ekahau. This particular area, we will seal all the boundaries with the cinder block wall. Once done, just verify if all the boundaries are accurate. Now coming to the glass partitions, we usually define it with the door thin. but it is so much of importance that we should be uh, having knowledge of the partitions being used in the space, as the access point ranges will be impacted by the nature of obstructions it is having in the premises. As you can see, we are covering all the doors. And the mid partitions of these cabins or these small meeting rooms would be of cinder block, or it might be of wall dry partition depending on the infrastructure. We will cover them all. Yeah, seems like we have covered all the area. Now we can start with the AP placement part. So figure out which area you should have the best strength. So we'll start with the confidence room. We can adjust the AP's location as per the ranges, because the agenda is to cover all the parts. What matters is the network health. So the network health should show the green color entirely. If there is some interference found, it either shows the black color, which states the black hole where no signal is reaching, or it shows the red color if all the channels are manually all the channels are manually configured, or they are automatically managing itself. We can in the right pane we can go through the each AP and check its ranges with the nearby access points, and we need to make sure that the neighboring AP is not having the same channel as the other one. So lastly, post adjusting all the APs, we need to make sure that they are in permissible range, and we will check the network health. We will run the channel planner. It should show the green color. Yes, at the last, the goal is achieved, and the network report, heat map report is generated. And yeah, that's for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.